when it comes to like how do I break down topics, well, the first thing that you need to know is, number one, what are you doing? So when I go to create content, I'm just thinking about what am I actually doing? Well, I know that my mission is to help people turn their advice into money using the internet. You know, I always show you this picture here: current situation, desired situation. I'm just always thinking about my person's somewhere over here in this like realm, and they're trying to get over here to their desired situation. The way I do that is I show people how to take their advice, turn it into a productized like digital packet. Okay, it's, you know, we create courses and membership areas and, you know, one-off products and recurring products. We can do live, you know, in-person events. We can do virtual events. We can do all of that. So in my brain, I know that I'm helping people to take their advice, package it up into a digital product of some sort, and then we're going and putting it out on the internet, and then we're driving people to go buy it. So I know that's what I'm doing. I'm helping them attract people to their product. I'm helping them take that attraction and convert it into leads and then sales. And then I'm showing them how to take their advice and actually organize it, record it, and put it onto the internet so that when they sell it, somebody gets it. That's what I do. So I'm trying to say this to you because to create content, you know, what I'm trying to do with my content each day is I'm trying to help you have like this aha moment. And I have aha moments while I'm helping you try to have aha moments. It's a powerful thing. It's like I'm learning right along with you. I just am teaching you what I'm doing each day. So because I do this each day, I document what I'm doing. I'm thinking about how am I generating money using my advice. And I'm just trying to synthesize that down and reiterate it back to you so that you can do it. I'm just maybe a few steps ahead, right?